If the girl was mine, take it, change.
Good morning, guys. I'm back. So, me and Arnold going to Muñoz to pick up Ate Merly and Neneng's magic lipstick and some oil, magic oil. So we'll see you there, guys. But I have to video this area because Arnold is driving right now, so I'll have a chance to video the mountains, guys. It's beautiful mountains, guys. So we'll see. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. So okay, guys, I'm back. We have just finished our coffee. Now we're going to Dalton Pass. It's right here. Welcome to Balete National Shrine. So we're going up now, guys. So there's how many steps? You can see the cannon there right away. So of course there's always a security guard and you have to write your name. Okay, now we're going upstairs. So this is one of the shrine that they built, right? Yeah. See. Of course there's the papaya with flowers. Wow, this is different papaya, no? Ba't yung ganyan dae? Ha? Oo, ba't ganyan? No, ba't ganyan yung papaya na yan? Look at this papaya, guys. There's like different. I think it's like a hybrid because there's lots of flowers. That's kind of weird. So we made it inside, guys. So this is where their coffee area. Look at all that food, guys. Lots of snacks, drinks, jams, lace, souvenirs. It's beautiful, guys. And look at those ubi cake, guys. Ubi cake. Ooh. So this is their area, guys. It's so clean and beautiful. Look at that. Pretty place, Scenery Cafe, guys. You guys make a stop in Scenery Cafe. It's beautiful here. Okay, see, you can have your own spot. Look at that chair. It's beautiful. And of course the scenery, nothing beats the scenery. That's why they call it cafe scenery. But we're going up there. Me and Arnold will climb up the history. Yeah. Ang ganda ng lugar nyo, kuya. Ang galing. Oo. Pauwi na po ako ng Canada. Siguro 3 days sa Bayongbong. Pero meron pa akong kukunin na pasalubong sa Muñoz. Aba. So, ako nakita, matagal ko nang binabalak pumunta rito, kuya. Kaya lang, travel ako ng travel. Ngayon, meron akong driver. Kaya, hinto tayo magkape. Yeah, look at this beautiful view, guys. Look at that. Oh, I can even walk here. We'll see. See this one? You guys can even have a barbecue, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at that view. Hey, guys. There you go. See that? And that's their view deck. I guess you can even go upstairs. Wow. Look at that. So this is the Balete Pass. And it's cafe. There you go. Okay, so there, I guess they're in, they have a memorial, guys. So, labanan sa Pasong Balete, 1945. May 9th. Look at that, May 9th. May 9th, that's the history, guys. Okay, that's why it passed already. So 70 years old na to, no? 70 years old, guys. Oh, Pibaw! Look at that! Look at this! That's why where my dad is. His group. Wow. Ibao. Yes, that's my dad's group when he fought the Japanese regime. Yeah. Look at that flower. So we're gonna go up there still. Okay. Yeah. This is the tree, guys, for sour litoko. We call it litoko, guys. Yeah, that one. Ooh. But it's better when they soak it in vinegar, guys. But you have to take the shell off. So, yeah, good thing I've seen the litoko tree, guys. That's the first time I've seen one in a long time. So, litoko tree. So, that's it. Saling ba yan? Siyempre. Oo. Yeah. Sarap yan. Saka mabango. Yeah, see they're chopping it, guys, because this one, still alive. Yeah, so that one we use it for fire starter, guys. Yeah, that's what we use for fire starter. But it's so fresh here, guys. The air. Nice. Meron mga cottage din doon, no? Na kung gusto mo mag-picnic, okay, punta natin ng mga 1 minute tapos balik tayo. Kaya my friend is maybe his legs are sore from helping me out finishing the cement, guys. See, look at this. If you have time, but I'm gonna do the shortcut, guys, because I'm just gonna do the shortcut. See. There. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a video on my friend, see? He said, you should try this out. It's easier, see? There you go, see? It's moving. Galing dito. Lots of others up. Yeah, this is the first one that I've seen here in Philippines, guys. Wild rose right here. Yeah. Oh, there's even pwede rin ata bumaba dito, no? May halaman. Pabalik. Meron din view doon. They have a view deck here too, guys. With see this one? Plants. You're gonna go there for the view if you want. See, there's another view deck there. But this area is this nipa. Anong tawag dito, no? Maganda ito. Kubo-kubo. We call it kubo-kubo, but but if you're on top here, you can see that view, guys. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the food that we're going to eat. It's supposed to be coffee and dessert only. Coffee and dessert only, but Ate Emily went all the way. That's too much. This is too much food, guys, for 3 of us. That's wala naman ako ganong pan kasi sinasama. May pasok silang lahat.
Meron pa si Juan, Ate Mali.
Oo, di ba? Ikaw, hindi mo natandaan yan.
Mas nga eh.
So that's their famous famous Lord's Supper, guys, right there.
Wala pa akong
Okay. Okay. Ano? Intro.
May tatlong magkakaibigan.
Okay.
Pumasok ng simbahan. Para magsimbahan. Pag labas na nila ng simbahan, nataon naman na may mga nagtitinda ng mga luya. Sino naman nung isa? Ale, luya. Ale, luya. Hanggang dito pa naman sa labas, meron pa rin haleluya.
Ayun, cute na cute na cute. Magaling yan eh. Papakita ko na naining yan. So Arnold will tell his joke again. Take 2, guys. Take 2. Okay, pasok.
May tatlong magkakaibigan na mga babae. Ganda yan. Pumunta sila sa simbahan. Tapos, no, sila tapos na hanggang dito ba naman sa labas ay meron pa rin hallelujah.
See, di ba maganda yun? Okay. So Arnold have another joke, guys, but this is Ilocano language.
Ilocano language.
Okay.
Pasok. Dati talong lalaking nagkapoy dyan taltalon. Kahit nagmalmalinda nga, nagpalpala. Tatay, di agawid dan. Napanda din magas dyan ulit isipan.
Okay.
Tata, muna namin Chipati, lahat kayo pagpalain, sabi. Hindi nila maintindihan yung mga Ilocano. Maghapon na nga lang tayo nagpapala, pagpapalain na naman tayo dito, sabi.
That's a good one. This one is part 3, guys, for Arnold's comedy hour. Okay, pasok.
Sabi nung binata, tatay, nanay, mag-aasawa na ako. Sabi naman nung nanay, ay mabuti anak kasi nagkakaedad ka na. Okay. Ngayon, ang problema, yung binata, hindi niya namang itsura na.
Oo.
Alam mo na? Ngayon,
Virgin na virgin.
hindi niya namang itsura. Ngayon, pumunta ng beer house.
Oo.
Ngayon, may nakita siyang babae. Miss, gusto mo bigyan kita ng 1.5? Tignan ko lang yung kwan mo, sabi. Tapos, sige kuya, pumikit ka muna. Sabi naman ng babae. Pumikit si babae. Tinanggal niya yung up and down ng pustiso niya. Inilagay niya ngayon. Sige, dumilat ka na, sabi. Pagkita ng lalaki, may ipin. Abay dali-daling tumakbo, umuwi. Sabi niya, tay, ayaw ko na magkasawa. Sabi, bakit na? Basta ayaw ko na. Sabi. Ngayon, pag akit niya sa itaas ng bahay nila, nandun yung mapapakasawa niya, nakapalda ng puti. Ngayon, may dalaw.
Nako.
Siyempre, namumula, no? Alam mo, sabi nung lalaki, kahit pinabunot mo yan, tutubutin lang.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one.